Okay, welcome to JNS Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the Ford Connect. It's the 5-seater passenger minibus, automatic, diesel, 2017 Euro 6. It's a taxi cab, wheelchair accessible, 5 seats with the driver plus the wheelchair ramp at the rear, automatic, one owner from new, no VAT to pay. The model is the Journey RX edition. Seats drop over, ramp goes into the back, folds up, you've got your seat belts there as well for fastening in. One owner from new, twin side doors, automatic, air conditioning, Bluetooth cruise control, nice clean MPV. The beauty about this one, no VAT to pay, no VAT on the price, in stock, ready to go. We've got lots more minibuses on the forecourt. Okay, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching the YouTube channel, and I'll speak to you soon.